This is a brand new 2013 Cadillac CTS. This car has an automatic transmission and a 6-cylinder engine. Features include a Bose stereo system, alloy wheels, cruise control, a digital information center, side impact airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, full power accessories, a HomeLink feature, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.